One of the most important parts of your build that I don't think enough people pay attention to is your PSU. Your PSU literally gives your whole PC power, so even if it's one of the more boring parts to pick out, it's really important you get it right. Corsair's RM850X PSU makes this super easy though, and thanks to Corsair for sending this one over. The absolute best feature on this PSU, in my opinion, is the side-mounted connections. This makes it so much easier to see what you're plugging in and makes cable management way easier too. She's fully modular, so you only need to plug in the cables you actually need, and we always love that. And there's 12V 2x6 GPU cables included too, so it's ready to use with more modern GPUs that need that kind of connector. She's also 80+ gold certified. That means she is very efficient and she doesn't waste much energy. If you're concerned about the noise level, this is the fan noise level compared to the system load, and there's a 0 RPM fan mode too. She's great, she's lovely, but just in case anything goes wrong, you also get a 10-year warranty period. What PSU is in your build right now? Let me know in the comments.